Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the system. Then scroll down and localize the backup. And as you can see, our device will immediately transfer us to this section where we can add our Google account. So just tap on Next and tap on Add Account. If you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, we have to add it right now. So also make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required. And here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and tap on Next. Okay, and be patient, because as you can see, it might take a while. So here in this step, we have to enter the password. So let me do this out of the screen. All right, and tap on Next. So right here, we have to decide who will be using this device. So just mark the option and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we can decide what kind of data we would like to back up, so photos and videos or other device data, or both. You can mark both if you wish, and then tap on Confirm. And here we've got our Google account added to the device. We can tap on Other Device Data, and here check some details about our account. So for example, you can manage the storage, so remove unnecessary files. Here you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. So to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now, and now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.